So this one, 452,883 is rounded off or is approximately to 453,000. 206,179 is approximately 206,000. Okay, subtract 453,000. This one. So this 206,000. 206,000. Okay. So 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 equals 0. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6 equals 7. 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 0 equals 4. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. So the approximate or the estimate difference, estimate answer is 247,000. The estimated difference between these two numbers is 247,000. And the exact answer or the exact difference is 246,704. Okay, if you do the exact means you write the number 452,883 minus 206,179. If you subtract this, you will get 3 minus 9 cannot be subtracted. So 3 becomes 13. 3 becomes 13. 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. We borrow from 8, so 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay, so we didn't borrow. We didn't borrow from 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7. 2 minus 6 cannot be, so we have to borrow from 5. 2 becomes 12. 5 becomes 4. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So the difference is 246,704, the exact or the real difference. You notice that what sound is that? Okay, you notice that the difference 247,000, this is close or near the exact answer, 246,704. So this and this are very close. So that's the use of estimate or estimation. Okay. Do you understand estimation? So you can estimate this one. Remember, we estimated we rounded off the thousands place. Thousands place. But if you want to round off to 10,000 place, 450, for example, you want to round this off to 400 to 10,000 place, this is approximately 450,000 minus 206,179 is approximately 210,000. 210,000. The answer, when you subtract, is 240, comma 000. So you notice that again, this estimated difference is close to the exact answer. Exact. So the estimate answer is close to the exact answer, 246. Estimate. That's how to estimate. Now, if you want to estimate 100,000, let's try how to estimate or round off to 100,000 place. This 100,000 place. Okay. So let's try 100,000 place. This number is approximately 500,000 minus 206,179 is approximately 200,000. Okay, the difference is 300,000. So this is the difference. The estimated difference is, okay, sorry. The estimated difference, what is that drawing? Wait a minute. That one. The estimated difference is 300,000. Oh, it's very difficult to draw. Wait a minute. Okay. So you notice that the difference 300 and 1,000 is close to 246,704. Because when you round off the exact answer, this is going to be approximately 200,000 or 250,000. 200,000. Still super close. 200,000. So 300,000 is close to 200,000 if in the hundreds place. But if you're going to round off to the nearest 10,000, it is approximately 250,000. Which is still closer to 300,000. Okay, hope you understand the word estimate. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now, let's proceed to the next. Let's proceed now to our practice exercises. I'm going to give you about five minutes. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to answer practice exercises. Okay, on page 24, everybody get your pencils, start answering practice exercises or practice items on pages 24. Timer starts now. Let me see all of you working.
Do only A and B, C.
A, B, C, D, E. And then if you're finished, you can start also answering number 2, A, B, and then number 3, A, B, and then number 4. It depends. How fast are you? Okay, while you are doing it, I'm going to check your videos. Singha is showing the video. Gino, CR, Ava, Nasa, Sogas, Patira, Ninja, Tantara, Ploysai, Kran, Gypsy, Runta, Janyawat, Canada. Kong is here, but no video. Kong, do you have a video? I want to see you. Okay. Look, Bri. Warapon, do you have video? Warapon and Look, Bri. Do you have videos?
Should do D and E.
Yes. All the items on that page 24.
I write the numbers in the book at
Hit.
D and E.
Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Warapon, Kong, no videos. Anapach, Apiwich, Benyapa, Ploy, 4/7. You don't have videos. You are hiding from Teacher Chris. I'm not sure if you are working or not, if you are not showing me your video. Are your videos broken? Why you're not showing up? You click your video, you turn on your videos.
So I'm finished now.
All? You finish all?
Yes.
Who is that? Who said finish all?
Me.
Look, Pry. Okay, look, Pry. So you finish 1, 2, and 3, and 4? Or letter A only?
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay. Since Look, Pry is finished, let's start answering. Okay, let's help each other. Look, Pry, letter A. Can you answer letter A? Okay, you have to tell me the answer. Teacher will write.
300,000.
345,000.
320,570.
Okay, very good. So I'll just type 320,570. Okay, very good. Wait, this is very...
Yes.
Gino, what is the question or the problem? Okay, you notice, class, that 8 should be aligned. 8, 8, and then 0 should be aligned or in proper line, okay? But because it's just a text, so I hope you understand that 5, 8, and 7 are in one column or in one line. 2, 6, and 5.
If you like on the screen,
5,
you can make the
4, and
letter.
0, 4, 2, 2, and then 3 and 3. Yes, yes, Kran, what's the problem?
Chris, If you write on the screen, you can make the number giant.
Bigger. Okay, let me
It
learn
will
that.
let us choose. It will let us choose.
No, mind your own textbook page. Teacher will mind my own PowerPoint slide. Okay? It's all
You
right.
have to choose. Teacher, it have the side here. My letter I side like this.
This one. Okay. I saw now. When I'm going to make it 48, the size
You
is going.
have to use
Okay, let me try
it
this.
show the
I knew now. I knew now. So letter B, look, Pry. Look, Pry, because you said you're done. What is the answer for letter B?
350,578.
Wrong. Try again.
Hello.
It's wrong. Because my answer here is different from what you said. My answer is 359.
Yeah, teacher, you good job.
Thousand.
But I want to kill my dog.
478. Still it's not properly aligned. So 8.
Teacher, I want to
8
kill my
minus
dog.
0 is 8. Okay, good job.
Teacher, I
15.
want to kill my dog.
Do not say unnecessary thing here, Kran. It's not related to
No,
our
because my dog bite my here the pencil.
You have to only talk things about math, not about your dog. We will talk about your dogs later. 15 minus 8 equals 7. And then this one, this becomes 11.
On my book.
And then 11. 1 minus 7 cannot be. So we borrow from 4. So this is 3. So 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7 equals 4.
Sorry,
Okay.
this is
3 minus 4 cannot be again, cannot be subtracted because 3 is smaller. So 3 becomes 13. So 13 we borrowed from 3. 3 becomes 2. 13 minus 4 equals 9. 2 minus 7 cannot be subtracted. So 2 becomes 12. 12 minus, we borrow from 2. This is 1. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Again, 1 minus 8 cannot be subtracted because 1 is smaller. So 1 becomes 11. So this one becomes now 0. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. And make sure again that they are in proper line, proper column, proper place values column, or proper alignment. They should be in the proper alignment. I have to write here, alignment is very important. Alignment is very important. When you say alignment from the word line, okay. How about letter C? Who wants to answer instead of Luke Pry? Who wants to answer letter C? Do you want to answer letter C? Are you done?
No, I'm not done.
Okay, who are finished? Letter C. Panada, Shertam, do you want to answer letter C?
I'm not finished.
How about Benyapa?
What, teacher?
Benyapa, where is your video? How
Letter
can
C. You
how
have
can
two Benyapa. I'm in letter E now.
Benyapa Banjo? Wait, what's the name? Nickname of Benyapa Banjo?
Benyapa Banjongkat or not?
Uh,
Book is Benyapa Banjongkat.
book. Are you there?
What, teacher?
You have to show me your how will I recognize you if we go to school? I cannot recognize you easily if you are hiding. You have to turn on your videos so that teacher Chris is going to recognize you easily. Okay, book. What's your answer in letter C?
I did not finish yet.
You're not yet finished. How about ploy? Ploy.
I'm not yet finished. Why?
Okay.
I'm finished.
How about
Not all. Finish all.
you notice that I'm asking those who are hiding their faces. Runta. How about runta?
I'm done finished yet.
You're not yet finished. Okay. How about
Teacher, can I answer?
Apiwich? Are you finished?
No.
Not yet. Okay.
Can
Okay.
I answer?
Who said who can I answer?
Me.
Tell
I'm
me
not
your
finished all, but I'm finished.
tell me your answer. Tell me your nickname. Who said I'm finished? Because I cannot recognize your nickname.
Gino.
Gino. Okay, Gino. Okay. Gino, what is your answer for letter C?
29,979.
Okay, let me write it. 30. You said 39, not 29?
29,979.
Very good. Okay, that's it. That's the difference. Okay. So A, B, C. I hope you are finished. Please copy if you are not yet finished. And then you find out why these are the differences. So I'm going to count backwards, starting from 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's proceed to the next letter. Letter D. Okay, letter D. So to answer this, you need to get your notebook and write in a vertical working or style like this. You can write this way, or you can write on that page if you want. Okay, so for maybe you can use this part. Okay, I can use this part. Okay, I'm going to write. I hope the space is enough. 4, 5, 8, 6, 1, 7 minus 276,559. The difference is 17 minus 9 equals 8, and then become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So become 5, 0, 0, comma, and then 7 minus 6 equals 1. And then 15 minus 7 equals 8. And then 3 minus 2 equals 1. So my answer is 181,000. Do we have the same difference? Same answer? This is my answer. My answer here. So I'm going to write it on the blank. 181,058. Do we have the same answer? It should be 2, right? I think I'm wrong.
Yes.
It should be 2.
It should be 2, teacher.
So this is wrong. So it should be, you have to slow but sure. This is wrong. Wait me see why I am wrong. So this is wrong. This is wrong. So 17 minus 9, 8. This one becomes 10, 5, correct.
Teacher, look at the one here.
Wait. I'm looking. 8 minus 6,
1 plus 6
4, 5,
1
8, 6, 1,
not
7,
equal to
2, 7, 6, 5, 5, 9. Wait. I'm going to find out what makes me wrong. 17 minus 9, 8.
Look at the 8 and 6.
11 minus, this one is 6. Become 5. This one becomes 0, right? This one becomes 17.
Yeah. Yeah, but look
It
at
becomes
8.
10. 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, correct. So this one, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. We didn't borrow, right? We didn't change 8. 8 minus 6 should be 2, right? Okay, and then this one 15. Okay, I know now. 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8. We borrow, so this is 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So now this one you have to change to, I'm going to erase. It should be 182,000 and 58. Okay. So that's my working scratch paper. You can use recycled paper or your notebook. You can use your notebook if you want. Okay, now letter E. Who wants to answer letter E? Because it's almost time. So who wants to volunteer letter E? Who wants to volunteer letter E? CR, do you have answer for letter E?
Yes.
What is your answer?
My answer is 4,961,345.
Very good. So 4 million, we have 961,345. Okay, we have the same answer here. Very good. Okay, next.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, if you're finished, kindly check your answers there. Okay, next. Let's go to the next number. Number 2, subtract. Okay, because we are about to finish the time, teacher will just answer, okay? You compare your answer. My answer, before you can answer this part, this one first. The first and second first. The first number and the second number. So the answer on this box is 311,687. You have to write that here. 311,687. And then you subtract. The final answer or difference is 124,028. Okay. Do we have the same answers?
Yeah.
Okay, you copy and then you have to write this here on the box because it's not a word problem. So it's 124,028 and 28. Okay, finish. So I'm going to count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's proceed to the next number. A letter. Okay, this one, just fill in the blanks with the numbers given. So here, let's do it quickly. 1,258,600 minus 354,128. Okay, this one, the third number, 547,659. Okay, wait, we have to answer this. The answer is 904. My answer is 904,472. Wait. 904,472. Okay. So we have to copy that from 904,472. Then we subtract to get the final answer. The answer is 356,813. So, is our final answer the same as yours? Is my final answer the same as yours?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Those who say no, okay, get the rubber eraser, copy the answer. Okay, I'm going to count backwards again so that we move to the next number. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so subtract and show your workings. For this number, teacher is going to answer quickly the working. 635,712 minus 459 and 24. The answer is 176,688. 688. So that's the difference. So this is the difference. Okay. And then okay, and then copy this. 176,688 minus 58,346. My difference is 342. Okay, the final answer is 118,000. Do you agree with me?
Maybe.
Do you agree with me? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so
Teacher, I'm finished checking with you.
okay. So please copy 342. Okay, if you're finished, same answer with teacher Chris, right? Okay. Let's go to the last page, number 25. Okay, so this is going to be your homework, or maybe you can answer by yourselves, okay? because time is not yet enough. Time is not enough for us. Okay. So your
25.
yes. So your homework is to answer letter B, and then number 4, you have to show the working. Okay, do not send a photo anymore in the Google Classroom. Just
Teacher, so show the working like number 3.
and then tomorrow we continue. Do not show the photo anymore. Do not send the photo anymore in the Google Classroom because the memory is not yet enough. It's not enough anymore. Okay?
Okay.
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 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, look at me now. So who is not showing the videos? You have to show me your faces now. Okay, stop. Stop writing. Look at teacher Chris. Look at the screen. And you have to say goodbye to teacher Chris. Okay, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Okay, look at me. Okay, look at me. Your homework is to answer page 25. But do not take a photo and do not send anymore in the Google Classroom. Okay, now the leader today is going to be I want turn on your video. You have to say, classmates, say goodbye. Let's respect by saying goodbye and thank you to teacher Chris. 1, 2, 3. Turn on your video first. Turn on your video.
Goodbye. Thank you, teacher.
Okay. So is not responding. Minus 1 million. Kran?
I cannot hear very well.
Where is Kran? Kran?
I'm here, teacher.
You are going to be the leader today. 1, 2, 3, go.
Student, please show respect to our amazing teacher.
Don't say students, classmates.
Actually, classmates, let's show respect to our amazing teacher.
Oh, lovely.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher.
Goodbye, amazing students.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, you can leave now.